Okay. So, wanna scan it and know why after replacing the top cylinder head gasket, the car will crank but will not start. Peugeot is always very funny when it comes to those. So let me put this car here. Now the fan for this motor they run. Hey, the fan they run constantly. Go run battery down now. Oh. Read error code. So those are the error code you see misfiring cylinder tray. A whole lot. So what I will do here is to go ahead and clear the error code and let's know what is current. Yes. 239. You need to copy the mileage there, that is 243,993. 243,993. You see, okay. Yes, successfully. So let's read the error code again. Okay, we have just only few high speed relay fan. That's why the fan is running continuously. Inlet thermistor, inlet air thermistor signal. Okay, I think that's the reason why, because that's the intake air temperature sensor. When we sensor are connected.
Sensor are connected.
And fan.
This sensor.
And fan now run constantly. Me make it the ignition. Get the sensor.
Flow meter.
Why can't you it? You go there first. Okay, we're missing the intake air temperature sensor here, so we need to get it connected and see if it's gonna solve it. And the fan is running continuously. I think I come out the key from the ignition, Abby. Okay. Okay, just remove the key and the fan stop running. Could it So we got the intake air temperature sensor back. This car should be able to start after getting the hose inside. Okay, let's go ahead and try again. So I'll go ahead and put on the ignition on. Okay, then we come back here to clear the trouble code. It's gonna request for the mileage again. Okay, so 243,993. 243 993. Yes, 243 993. Should clear, then we should be having what is left there. Okay, successfully, so let's read the code. Oh, injector 6 fault. Injector number 1, injector number 2, 3. Okay, now it's showing all the problem after getting this thing into it. So that's good one. That's good one. 40 variable gear solenoid. Okay. So there is definitely something wrong that the injectors are all not getting signals. Okay, Onyema. What am I starting? Injectors here, where are they with talk? But go to make a call back, take here the fuse.
Okay, I didn't want to talk.
Yeah. One injector in 1 to 6. So what are they with talk? So here, none of the injectors is receiving signal. So we have to come and check and know the reason why there is no any injector pulse and is condemning it. So it could be a relay problem. And I forgot this kind of test. Already we talking injector.
Can't bring that tester for
And I forgot here now that yeah. Can you film me now the starting sensor? Okay. When we hear the starting sensor, okay. All in a button. I'm meeting this yesterday now. Question each other can marry mom. You're not just him the two skitter now.
Just leave me here. Come this time.
So you need to check the fuses. What in a button?
You gotta fuck up, man.
Because there is no reason why all the injectors are not getting power. I've seen this kind of thing on the Peugeot before, so wanna check it. That's one thing I like about Peugeot, because it's very spontaneous in feeding information. Now the more I stay with the battery, the more the ECM recollects its memory about whatever is wrong with this very car and feed back to the CAN bus, and the CAN bus have to relay it to the OBD, the onboard diagnostics. So we want to come and check the fuses, then check for injector pulse on the injectors.
When you start here. I'm a check out my thing.
Okay. So I want to go ahead and inlet item is to high-speed relay or chopper fan control. That's not what I'm looking for. Okay, variable valve gear solenoid, cylinder, bank 1 not receiving. I think this is pretty much supposed to be some sort of no start. Okay, ignition is on. This car is pretty much sensitive. How far? Bar with that. Okay, now we've checked it and confirmed. What I'm seeing here is good. The system is not getting signals on all this injector 1 6352 pretty much. So it is complete. 3, that's 6 of them, there is no power. So it can be a coincidence, something is wrong somewhere. And now I've connected this one back. There is no need to clear the error code. You need to check out exactly what is wrong, why there is no injector pulse before we can proceed further. So let's go.
Misako. The Okoko.
Okoko.
I'm okay.
Ine okoko baba so okwo umu ya ka ejide. Okwema nwodo.
Ige wote ni.
Nwodo okoko. Okoko nwodo. Nke ahụ adara afụ ụzọ.
Wote ya na ngate. Uromo okoko.
Nke ahụ na-agbara abụbọ.
Uromo okoko na.
Okay.
Uromo okoko ba?
Okay.
Wote ya na nnate. Oh yeah, I know you got meeting before. Mbebo. Sure.
Okay.
Just start here, another start now.
Okay, let's go ahead and check and crank it again and see what happens. So I want to go ahead and clear this error code. 243993. Okay. Two, 4, 3, 9, 9. 2, 3, 4. No, 2, 4, 3, 4, 3, 9, 9, 3. Okay, Nabia. Okay. The problem is still there. The speed limiter point resistance sensor. What the hell is speed limiter? You don't all for speed limiter point of resistance sensor. What is the speed? Okay. My concern is the speed. Anything speed limiter point resistance sensor. You know, some of those manufacturers have a way of describing their CPK. So, but for all those ones not getting signal, then there is something wrong, and we need to figure it out. We need to find out if it has a ground on the injector pulse, and if it has 5 volts reference when the ignition is switched on. So I'm gonna go ahead and check the crankshaft position sensor and see if it's where it's supposed to be. Ako por yoga. Okay, now let's take a look at the RPMs while we crank the car. It doesn't shake, it doesn't move. It means the crankshaft position sensor could be bad. So let me go ahead and let's take a look at the crankshaft position sensor in the live stream data. go over here. Live stream data, common stream, fuel injection, ignition, camshaft, electrical, engine immobilizer, fuel cooling, air conditioning, alternator, emission control. Let's see ignition and see what we're gonna find there. Okay, let's see the engine speed while we crank the car. It's responding, so which means let's try to see what the injector did. We're gonna go ahead again. I just off the engine, so let's take a look at I'm supposed to look at the fuel injection, because that is where the error code is. That is 40. Maybe there is no ground. Why would there be no ground? This battery is dead because the fan is continuously on.